Construction vehicles. Whoa. Hey, Bubba, what do you think? You excited? Let's go explore. All right, let's go. All right, which one are we going to first? This one?
That one.
This one? All right, what is this one called?
Excavator.
It's an excavator?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the bucket off of it.
With the bucket off of it. Why are you so smart? The bucket is off of it.
I ain't going in this.
The bucket's right there. You want to go in the bucket? All right. Go in the bucket. Whoa, you fit in the bucket. That is cool.
Now your turn, Sissy.
Sissy, it's your turn.
Sissy, your turn.
He wants you to go in the bucket. Can Sissy fit in the bucket?
Barely.
Yes, she does. Look up, Sissy. You do fit in the bucket. All right, awesome. All right, now what? We're going to that excavator way over there? Okay.
Look, excavator tracks.
Excavator tracks, yes. There's excavator tracks all over the place. All right. Is this not the coolest? It is, isn't it? Look at those excavator tracks. Whoa. You gonna make it? Okay, here we are at this excavator. Whoa. This is pretty cool. Ooh, you're standing next to the excavator. Look how little you are compared to the excavator. Holy smokes. Let's look under the excavator. Whoa. Look at this thing. What do you think this thing does?
It caught a hammer.
It's called a hammer? It does look like a hammer, so it smushes things? How are you so smart? I just don't know.
It was one thing.
Sissy? You want to get on the excavator? Climb up?
I'll climb up. I'll climb up.
Sissy's going to get up there, and then we'll put you up there. Whoa.
Think they ever clean these things off?
I don't know. Mama, help him up there. There's Sissy. And there's Bubby on the excavator. That's pretty cool. Let's see. You guys are pretty tiny compared to that thing. What color is it, Bubba? What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. All right, you want to jump off? Mama, give him a hand. Just give him a hand. He can jump off. Jump! Whoa! Good job. Okay, so we got one more to go look at. All right. Then we're going to go look at the trees?
Yeah.
Why do you think they're knocking down all the trees?
To put apartments.
It's summertime.
It's summertime. Why are they knocking them down, Sissy?
Put more apartments.
I think you're
probably.
right. Put more apartments up.
Maybe
or
a bank even though
or a bank or some kind of building with shopping center or something. Whoa, this one is
it's over there.
humongous.
Hey, look. This one have a nail.
It has a nail. I think it looks more like a hook. Let's go look at it.
And when you come look out
Whoa, look at that thing. What do you think they use this thing for? Go touch it. What do you think is it hard? It's hard, isn't it? I think they use that to make holes. Oh, Sissy got some dirt. Whoa. That's pretty cool. We are under the excavator. Under the excavator. This one's big. Look, there's where the guy sits and drives it. That's pretty cool, huh?
You could sleep under there.
You could sleep under there. Whoa. Big giant excavator. You wanna go look at the trees?
There's a basket? No.
Hey, let's go look at that over there. What is that?
Hey, look, another excavator.
Yeah, what is that over there?
A kid steer.
A kid steer? Skid steer?
Yeah.
I think that's a bulldozer, isn't it?
No, a kid steer.
Skid steer? You've been watching a lot of Blippi. Come on. Let's go look at it.
Watch out, 40. Watch out.
Ooh, and look at, what is this?
The claw.
A bucket, but look at the claws it has on there. Whoa. Man, that's cool. All right, look. This is the bulldozer. Mama, help him up there.
No,
Yeah, I want you to go up in there and...
I just walking out to do it.
Okay, Sissy will do it. You want to get up there and sit, Sissy?
Oh, now you want to?
Get in there. Sissy is in the bulldozer. Dun, dun, dun. Act like you're driving it.
I don't know.
Good job, Sissy. Here comes your little brother. You gonna get in there, Bubba? I'm sure you can drive this because you've seen Blippi drive it. Drive it. Good job. All right, hop on down. Let Sissy help you. Sissy's gonna jump down, then she'll help you get down. Woo! Little brother, big sister. All right, let's go look at the trees. What do you think they're gonna do with those trees?
Look at that thing over there.
That's a tank. I wonder what they use that tank for.
I don't know.
I don't know either. I wonder if there's gas in there.
Yes, there's gas.
So they can put gas into their construction vehicles. Who knows? What do you think? Just pretty cool? All right. Now, let's look at these trees over here. Big old pile of trees. What do you think they're going to do with those pile of trees?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think they're going to burn them.
I want to go get that secret.
Okay. Hey,
I'm going to have a closer.
Hey. Look at me. Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.